Do you need more time? Do you have enough time in your day, or could you do with a few extra hours? Well, then today's quote is gonna help you out tremendously, because it is around organizing and things of that like. And I know it doesn't sound a lot like a marketing quote, but I think it applies really well to marketing, because a lot of time we're just busy, but we're not really doing anything. So today's quote comes from no one knows who said this, because it's attributed to Anonymous. But anyway, it says, "For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned." For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. And yeah, that's a lot to think about. But I think it's very true, especially if you look at it through your marketing and like how you organize. Do you organize your marketing, or do you just put stuff out and something comes up on your screen like, I'll try this, and then let's give this a try? I know I've done that for a long time. I'm like, a little bit of Facebook advertising doesn't work. Okay, I'll try some YouTube ads. Let me try to find some organic traffic anywhere. And it's all over the show. There's no organizing, and you just end up spending more time than you would have if you were a bit organized. So yeah, my suggestion today would be like to make a marketing schedule and organize things. Say like Mondays you spend on Facebook, for instance. Tuesdays is your YouTube day. Wednesdays you write your content, or you make your videos, or just like that. Just get organized, and you'll find that you have a lot more time then to do other things. That you can focus on other things, not just on the marketing. But it applies to everything in your life, really. I mean, I think there's a reason why the Marie Kondo, that the Japanese lady, is so huge at the moment, because I think she showed to people that by being organized with your material things, it like translates into your life, into the rest of your life, and that goes for your marketing as well. Like really everything in your life. So focus on being more organized. It might feel like it's a pain to do and you don't really feel like it, but in the end it's going to save you a lot of time. And time is something that we cannot make more of, so the more of it we can free up, the better it is for us. So yeah, just one more time, this quote from Anonymous. He or she said, "For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned." So yeah, get out there, start organizing, and earn those hours. Till tomorrow, bye.